not set in stone, destined to be whatever we want, can let you go. As long as it was just the two of us, the end of the day, you and me, forever this way, day after day after day. But then the nights grew colder and the rain fell stronger. Nothing but clouds over our heads. You best believe I'm still trying my best to keep our heads above water, but it's getting harder and harder. 'Cause when I see you look me in the eyes, I can tell you don't get butterflies.
You tell me that I'm beautiful in every light, and you say my laugh is pretty when I'm not trying. Please don't lie to me, I'm not good enough for you. Yeah, you say that I'm insecure and need your loving, but I don't think that I'm strong enough to stop the hurting. I'm not beautiful, even though you tell me every day. I'm still learning how to let go of you, and I'm still trying my best to get my mind off you. 'Cause you know it's never always easy. If only it were easy, I would have already let you go. Flashbacks of you on my mind, hate to see you all the time, hoping you were never mine. I don't wanna feel this pain no more. Hear your voice on repeat, it won't leave, I'm begging please. Sad songs, oh, living life without you. Everywhere that I look, all I see is you. Sad songs, oh, living.
So baby, please don't say you love me, 'cause I don't think that I'm truly ready to take a piece of my heart and give it away. Oh baby, please don't take this all too heavy. All I know is that, oh, I can't make you happy. Oh baby, please just let me take this step away.
'Cause every time I text you, you always reply. And every time you need me, I'll be by your side. I'm just trying to tell you, you're my ride or die. I know it sounds cringy, but it's not a lie. Thanks for being in my life.
I tried to be pretty, but I vowed to never try again. I used to feel pretty, till I found out I couldn't look like them. You can disagree 1,000 times, but I call them 1,000 lies. 'Cause you're not the one I'm trying to convince. Only if and only when can I feel pretty again. That sounds exactly like the song that already exists, but it's fine.
I'm just like you, just like you, you're just like me, you are just like me. It's something anyone can see. A heart that beats, a voice that speaks the truth. Yes, I am a girl like you.
I asked you what's wrong, you said I'm fine. I knew be Heather.
Yeah, wait, did I break another heart? I think I took a good love and tore it right apart. I was love struck and fucked up, probably from the start. And shawty got away from me, now all I got is scars, yeah.
When I was young, I always thought that I'd be richer. But now I'm 26 and I ain't got shit yet. Making music, writing songs, trying to fix it. I got no sense, I can't pay rent. But growing up, I always thought that I'd be famous. And everybody around would know what my name is. But now I'm barely affording my car payments. I can't take it, I gotta change it. And they say money's not the key to wealth. Well, I say let me judge that for myself. Cause I'm broke as shit. And I'm downright fucking sick and tired of it. I'm broke. Oh, what a shame it is that this job doesn't seem to fucking pay the bills. I'm broke. I'm always broke. Yeah, I'm broke as shit. And I'm downright fucking sick and tired of it. Cause I'm broke.
Come on, baby, do it. La da dee da da dee da. On the stereo, let those speakers blow your mind. Just let it go, here we go. Let it dee da da dee da. On the radio, the system's gonna feel so fine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now I could write 10 songs by 9 ways you fucked me over. Only took you 8 days to forget, 7 months together. We were up till 6 in the morning, 5 days a week. You said forever, then left before I counted to 3. Loved you a little too much, but I was never the one.